Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 travelers has experienced theft while on vacation? That's right. According to the U.S. Travel Association, millions of people lose their belongings every year, and many don't even realize it until it's too late. Whether it's a pickpocket on a crowded street or a sneaky thief in your hotel room, the risks are real and can ruin your trip. But don't worry. You don't have to become a statistic. In this video, we'll arm you with essential anti-theft tips and tricks to keep your belongings safe while you travel. We'll dive into smart packing strategies, how to blend in with locals, and digital safety hacks you can use at cafes and airports. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll feel like a travel ninja, ready to take on the world without the fear of losing your stuff. Your adventure awaits, and we're here to help you protect it. Chapter 1. The Ultimate Packing Ninja. Smart gear for safe travels. Travel gear has come a long way in keeping your stuff safe, and if you want to outsmart potential thieves, you need to pack smart. A study by the Global Travel and Tourism Partnership found that nearly 25% of travelers report theft while on vacation. So, how do you become a packing ninja? Start by investing in an anti-theft backpack. These bags often have lockable zippers, slash-proof fabric, and hidden pockets that make it hard for pickpockets to access your belongings. PackSafe, for instance, is a brand well known for its security features like RFID SAFE pockets, which help protect your passport and credit cards from digital theft. Another trick is to use packing cubes. These might seem like a simple organizational tool, but they also allow you to compartmentalize your valuables. Put your most important items in one cube and hide it deep in your luggage. If you're using carry-on luggage, keep valuables in small, lockable pouches or even travel safes that are easy to lock onto a fixed object. Bonus tip. Consider using a decoy wallet with a small amount of cash. It's a great way to throw off thieves if they do get their hands on something. Don't forget to pack a simple safety item that most people overlook, a cable lock. Whether you're in an airport, train station, or cafe, you can quickly secure your bags to a stationary object. It only takes a few seconds for a thief to swipe your bag, but it takes even less time to lock it down. Think of it like becoming a stealthy protector of your gear. Chapter 2. Stay one step ahead. Man walking. Mastering travel situational awareness. One of the best ways to keep your stuff safe while traveling is to master the art of situational awareness. A survey by YouGov found that nearly 1 in 5 Americans felt unsafe while traveling abroad. But you can flip that around by simply paying attention to your surroundings and making yourself a harder target. Situational awareness starts with keeping your head up and not looking like an obvious tourist. Avoid flashing maps or guidebooks in public. Instead, download maps on your phone ahead of time and look at them discreetly. It's important to be unpredictable in your routines, too. Thieves often study the movements of tourists to find patterns. For example, if you're staying at a hotel, take different routes each day, and never set down your bag, not even for a second. Another key tip: trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Whether it's a person following you too closely or someone striking up a conversation that seems overly friendly, it's okay to be a little suspicious. In the book The Gift of Fear by Gavin de Becker, he talks about how intuition is a powerful tool for self-protection. If something doesn't sit right with you, it's better to trust your instincts and move away from the situation. Lastly, stay aware of your belongings in crowded places like markets or subway stations. Keep bags close to your body, preferably in front of you, and never carry all your valuables in one place. Distribute your cash, credit cards, and IDs in different spots, so if something does get stolen, you won't lose everything at once. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss the rest of this video, packed with essential travel safety strategies. Chapter 3. Digital Fort Knox Lock. Securing your online identity abroad. Keeping your physical items safe is one thing, but what about your digital life? More and more travelers are falling victim to digital theft, especially when using public Wi-Fi. According to a report by Norton, over 60% of travelers connect to unprotected Wi-Fi networks while on the road, making their data vulnerable to hackers. So, how do you turn your devices into a digital Fort Knox? Start by using a virtual private network, VPN, whenever you connect to public Wi-Fi. VPNs create an encrypted connection, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal your data. Popular services like ExpressVPN or NordVPN are easy to use and provide that extra layer of security. Another simple but effective strategy is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your accounts. This means even if someone manages to get your password, they'd still need a second form of verification, usually a code sent to your phone. The Journal of Cybersecurity found that 2FA can prevent up to 99.9% of automated cyber attacks, so it's a no-brainer. Don't forget about your phone and laptop's physical security either. Always set a strong password, and use biometric locks like fingerprint or facial recognition if available. And as a backup, enable the Find My Device feature on your phone, so if it's ever lost or stolen, you can remotely lock or wipe it. Lastly, consider using RFID blocking wallets to protect your credit cards from being skimmed. With just a tap, thieves can steal your card information without you even realizing it. RFID blocking technology is simple but highly effective, creating an invisible shield around your cards. By treating your digital identity with the same care as your physical belongings, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing both your stuff and your data are secure. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe. Join our community for more travel advice that keeps you safe and sound on your journeys. Chapter 4. Hidden in Plain Sight Sunglasses. Disguise and distract. When it comes to keeping your stuff safe while traveling, one of the best strategies is to hide it in plain sight. Thieves are looking for easy targets, things that look valuable and are quick to grab. So, your goal is to make your valuables invisible or unappealing. One of the simplest tricks is using a decoy wallet. Fill it with some expired cards and a small amount of cash. If a thief gets hold of it, they'll think they hit the jackpot and run off without looking for more. Meanwhile, your real wallet is tucked safely in an inside pocket or a money belt. It's a sneaky, but highly effective, way to trick would-be thieves. Another tactic is to stash your cash in unusual places. Think about using a chapstick tube, an empty sunscreen bottle, or even a fake deodorant stick as a hiding spot for money or small valuables. Thieves won't waste time rummaging through those. According to a Travel Channel report, items like these are often overlooked in theft incidents because they don't look valuable at all. You can also get creative with clothing. Many travel garments, like Scott Vest, come with hidden pockets specifically designed to hold valuables like passports and money. These clothes are comfortable, practical, and make it hard for pickpockets to find anything worth stealing. If you're carrying electronics, consider disguising them. Use cases or covers that don't scream expensive gadget. For instance, putting your laptop in a padded envelope rather than a tech bag can help it blend in. Similarly, wrapping a camera in a plain towel inside your backpack makes it look less like expensive gear. Remember, it's all about making your valuables invisible or unappealing. The less interesting your stuff looks, the less likely it is to be targeted. Chapter 5. Unlocking Safe Sleep. ZZZ, hotel room security hacks. Your hotel room might feel like a safe zone, but it's not immune to theft. In fact, a survey by the American Hotel and Lodging Association found that 38% of travelers have had something stolen from their hotel room. That's why knowing how to secure your belongings while you sleep or leave the room is key. First, never trust the hotel safe blindly. Believe it or not, hotel safes are not as secure as you think. Many have default codes or can be opened with a master key by staff members. Instead, invest in a portable travel safe. These are small, lightweight, and can be locked to a fixed object like a bed frame or bathroom pipe. It's a handy solution that keeps your stuff locked down even when you're out exploring. Another great tool is a portable door lock. These locks are simple, inexpensive devices that fit into the door latch, making it almost impossible for someone to open the door from the outside, even with a key. It's an extra layer of protection that can give you peace of mind while you sleep or shower. If you're really concerned, think about bringing a doorstop alarm. These devices work just like doorstops but emit a loud alarm if anyone tries to force the door open. It's a great deterrent for anyone thinking about sneaking into your room. If you found these tips valuable, please hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community for more insights that keep you safe and savvy while exploring the world. Your next adventure is waiting, and we want to make sure you enjoy every moment of it.